Through the seasons of life, I promise to champion your dreams and celebrate our differences.
James Harper, the day that we met, I knew there was something so special about you. You looked deep into my soul, and I knew that I was going to marry you one day.
I want to marry Liz because I enjoy my life more with her than without her. And I didn't think that was ever going to be the case. I thought I was always a lone ranger. I was an independent guy. I just wanted to build cars, ride motorbikes. But with Liz around, she has so much passion and enthusiasm, even for those things that she's not naturally attracted to. And she makes me enjoy those things so much more with her than without her.
I thought Peter was a very attractive man. That was actually my first thought. And I thought he had a love of life. He exuberated vibrance for adventure and free-spirited. And when you're studying abroad, you're just a magnet and you're just so attracted to that.
I think in one way, riding the bike is just the wind in the hair, nothing else to worry about but the road ahead. I think it's one thing that we've shared consistently throughout our dating relationship into a married relationship. We love being outdoors, and being in a location that's so inspiring sets the tone for our life together for the future. I don't think she's ever seen me emotional. She hasn't seen me cry. She hasn't quite seen the tear come to my eye. But the thought of marrying her over the last couple of weeks is like, I've really had to fight back the tears, and like, it just makes me so happy that I just have that natural emotion and attraction to her, and that excitement. To me, it just feels so genuine. Today, we really concrete in that promise to each other and promise to each other that we'll be there together for the rest of our lives is so exciting to me.
Good afternoon. Let me welcome you to the wedding of Peter and Elizabeth. They are incredibly thankful that all of you are here.
I will.
I will. I vow to continue to smile and laugh and keep on dancing and singing no matter the tune of life.
Crazy description.
With those here, most loved to me as my witness. This is my personal vow to you from this moment until our last.
I vow to never stop exploring with you, because with every journey, I fall deeper and deeper in love with you.
Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Gonna get this done?
Yes.
Okay. Family, friends, and guests, we have come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of this man and this woman in holy matrimony.
Truthfully, if I had to draw up the most perfect person that I could to complete my best friend, it probably wouldn't compare to who I think Peter is for Alex. You compliment every part of who she is, and you're so kind. And you're so kind, actually, that I heard Alex was able to convince you that you had to wear a thong today.
So when we were younger, and I mean like very young, Peter took me with him to do everything. He taught me how to do all the things a little kid thinks are cool. He taught me how to get double bounce on the trampoline, how to adjust the straw in the yoo-hoo box so when you stomped on it, it blew up perfectly. You know, you're kind of quiet, but you always go the extra mile to make someone feel comfortable, to feel special, to feel loved. Peter and Alex, I hope you guys take that selfless care that you taught me and share it with each other and the people around you for the rest of your lives. Congratulations. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay,
Ready?
Holy. Do you like it?
You look incredible.
Yeah?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Even better than yesterday. Oh my god. Are you serious?
I, Peter, take you, Alexandra,
I, Peter, take you, Alexandra,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish
you all the days of your life.
you all the days of your life.
I, Alexandra, take you, Peter,
I, Alexandra, take you, Peter,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and bad,
in good times and bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish you
to love and to cherish you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Eternal God, creator and preserver of all life, look with favor upon this world you have made, and especially this man and this woman from whom you have made one flesh. Give them the wisdom that each may be to the other a strength in need, a counselor in perplexity, a comfort in sorrow, and a companion in joy. You may kiss the bride.
Rose Antoinette Massey, you are the love of an eternity, the type of love that everybody searches for, but not everybody is lucky enough to find. And from this day forward, for the rest of our lives and forevermore, I vow to always take the adventurous path with you, to live more in each moment with you, and to be gracious for each morning we awaken in physical form together on this beautiful earth. I vow to shed my fear of showing my emotions, but to trust in your protection when that fear is too strong. And I vow to always hold on tight to your love, although every rose has its thorns. I know that yours are only there to protect the most beautiful bloom.
I was chipping away at those 20 years of wrong turns and mistakes, and everything that I've done up until now is the only way that we could have ever met exactly when we met. And you know that is like the most special thing to me. It couldn't be more incredible that we met, because it's really all just chance and odds. And thank you for everything. Thank you for being the most incredible human being. Thank you for being you. Just thank you so much.
When we first started wedding planning, the pandemic wasn't our first encountered challenge. We struggled to find a location in Arizona. Nothing took our breath away. One night, I was looking through our bucket list, and there she was, Yosemite. What you are surrounded with this weekend is the sole reason we fell in love with this place. John and I love creating experiences and placing that before anything else, so it was really important for us to share that with you all today.
Over 1 million years ago, this valley began forming when mile-high glaciers slowly carved out the perfect backdrop for you and John to get married today. So I want you both to take a second and really take in this moment. Look at each other in the stunning view and commit it all to remember.
After all this time, Trisha, we have spent our whole relationship with those words. So there's no question in my mind that the path that we've been walking together would lead us here. Your love has done more for me than I could ever express in words. Your love has pulled me out of the darkness, out of the most desperate time in my life, when I thought there was no way out. Your love found a way.
John, here we are in one of the most breathtaking places on earth. Yeah, I keep being taken back to that moment 10 years ago when you handed me a Starbucks cup with the sweetest message written on it. In purple ink with not so graceful handwriting, you wrote how you felt in that very moment. You did something that I have always been afraid of doing, opening one's heart. For the last 10 years, you have done nothing short of that for me every single day. John, I vow to never take our time together for granted. I vow to love you unconditionally. I promise to always be there for you, to uplift you, and to be your biggest supporter. I vow to dance with you in the kitchen, sing the Mulan soundtrack on every road trip, hold you when you need it the most, cry when it's all that we can do, and laugh at the end of both good and hard days. Above all else, I promise to experience life with you. When we are old and gray, I promise that we will not look back at the things that we bought, but the things that we did and the places we experienced. I promise that we will be able to look back on our life and say, wow, we truly lived.
So today, Trisha, I vow to have all the patience and passion that loves demand. Through laughter and silence, I'll always be at your side. I promise that from this day forward, you'll never have to face the world alone. We will face it together. As long as the planets are turning, as long as the stars are burning, still, after all this time, always.
Real love is caring as much about the welfare and happiness of your partner as about your own. Real love is looking outward in the same direction together. Love makes burdens lighter because you divide them. It makes joys more intense because you share. It is my great privilege to declare your hearts and souls bound. Now share your first kiss as husband and wife.
Trisha and John, what a couple, am I right? John, you are my best friend, and my family and I will always be here for you no matter what. Thanks for being a great boyfriend to my sister. I know you will be just as great as a husband. You've always been family, but now it's finally official. Welcome to the family, man.
Please join me in raising your glass and toasting to my best friends. And I'm going to quote Dr. Seuss. He said, "We're all a little weird, and life's a little weird. And when we find someone whose weirdness is compatible with ours, we join up with them and fall into mutual weirdness, and we call it love." Congratulations. I love you guys so much.